Toothbrush. Toothbrush. A tool used for cleaning teeth. Example: he brushes his teeth with a toothbrush. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. A cream used with a toothbrush. Example: she put toothpaste on the brush. Shampoo. Shampoo. A liquid used for washing hair. Example: she cleaned her hair with shampoo.
Towel. Towel.
A cloth used for drying the body. Example: he wiped his face with a towel.
Comb. Comb.
A tool used for arranging hair. Example: he combed his hair neatly. Shower. Shower. A device that sprays water for bathing. Example: he is taking a shower. Bathtub. Bathtub. A large container for bathing. Example: the baby is sitting in the bathtub. Razor. Razor. A tool used for shaving. Example: he shaved his beard with a razor. Shaving cream. Shaving cream. A cream used before shaving. Example: he put shaving cream on his face. Toilet. Toilet. A seat used in the bathroom. Example: he went to the toilet. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. Paper used in the bathroom. Example: she kept toilet paper near the toilet. Detergent. Detergent. A liquid or powder used for cleaning. Example: she used detergent to wash clothes. Air freshener. Air freshener. A spray that makes the bathroom smell nice. Example: he sprayed air freshener in the bathroom.
Mop. Mop.
A cloth placed on the floor. Example: she wiped her feet on the mat.
Shower cap. Shower cap.
A cap worn to keep hair dry. Example: she wore a shower cap while bathing. Loofah. Loofah. A sponge used for scrubbing the body. Example: he washed with a loofah. Hair dryer. Hair dryer. A machine used to dry hair. Example: she dried her hair with a hair dryer. Nail cutter. Nail cutter. A tool used for cutting nails. Example: he trimmed his nails with a nail cutter. Soap dish. Soap dish. A small tray for keeping soap. Example: the soap is on the soap dish. Bathrobe. Bathrobe. A cloth worn after a bath. Example: she put on a bathrobe.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.